What is going on, my G's? I hope you're having a fucking amazing day. A couple years ago, when I was 30 years old, 3 years ago, I said that I wanted to retire. I didn't want to do anything. Then I started making YouTube videos, and then I had to reprogram my life so that I can just work doing this. So a friend of ours called us, I think you saw it on the other vlog, Andy, that he wanted to get his Defender. So we're gonna go scope out the Defender, we're gonna go pick up Tommy and see in what state that is and just have fun. So worked so hard to be able to structure these days in adventure days so that I don't have to work. There's a lot of work obviously to be done here at the office, but thank God everyone's got our back and they're taking care of that while we go out there and have some fun. Some guiltless fun, that's what I like to call it. So let's get rolling because today's gonna be good. Oh shit.
I need to plug something because I'm having a hard time. We need an editor for Salamundo.
Oh, thank you,
We need an editor for Salamundo.
Yes.
I posted some stuff on my story, you posted stuff on your
Correct.
story. We have all of the things, but I'm not getting a lot of good submissions right now. I'm getting a lot of people that are like, hey, I can learn on the fly. You don't have to pay me for this position. That doesn't work because we need somebody that can like hit the ground running and be up to speed now.
Absolutely.
So I need all creatives. I need people that like can come in and be kick-ass and that know their shit. And honestly, I want them to be better than me.
Yes, and also the requirements, and I love that you just said that. The requirements are, you must speak Spanish fluently and perfectly fluently,
Yes.
and English,
And
same
English.
thing.
And
And
you
you
have
gotta
to
be
be
local here in LA.
Yeah, because you're gonna work here. You're
Yeah.
gonna work here with all of these cars and you're gonna see everything. And
Unfortunately.
and more than likely, you may transition into a role that's not just editing. You may also be filming. You may go out on these adventures and travel. Like there's a lot of awesome stuff, but I want you to be qualified. So see the link down below and you'll have all the information you need because we need somebody to get on this ASAP.
My man,
You guys
please
have
post
fun.
this on Salomondrin.com too.
Done.
Thank
Done,
you.
done.
He's mastering social.
Avi?
Look at this, yeah. I had one little talk with him about his social media, and he's like, there's a guy, that's his car. My car. Avi.
How is he killing it like this on Instagram?
He got out the ticket.
Wow. We're about to go see Tommy right now.
Yes.
At Galpin.
Yes, and there's a little surprise.
For everyone there?
yeah.
Okay.
For
I'm
you,
just gonna
for
leave it like
everyone,
that.
a
I'm just
little
gonna leave it like
surprise,
that.
okay?
Perfectly fine. Right here on my left. Are you ready?
Oh my God. Look at that thing. Look at this truck.
Holy shit.
You guys, from the mirror. Oh, he's got a snorkel. Oh, by the way, we need a snorkel. Look, he's got like a crazy snorkel.
He's got a double light bar on top.
Yeah.
That dude's
Shit
ready
goes
for
down.
the zombie apocalypse.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Why do we buy these pussy ass trucks now?
Oh, here. Look. Hold on, let him go.
I was gonna let him go.
Oh my God.
God.
Look at the lights up there. Look at all the lights up there.
Black
Zombie. Oh, man. Look at his exhaust. Ooh.
That is so fucking dope. That's like the Mandingo of trucks, you know? Avi's here.
That's the surprise. That's the surprise. So he called me, and he said, I would like to come down and check out gas because I'm thinking about having the NSX resprayed on those panels that he fucked up.
And Gas is gonna do it.
We're gonna put Tommy and Avi together in a room and see
It's like when
what-
you introduce two animals and you both attack each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
let's fucking do it. That's cool.
Let's go.
Okay, Obi-Wan Kenobi, I see ya.
Hey, let's go find Avi before he gets in trouble here.
Is he passed out in his car? Nope, he ain't.
I think he wants this stuff.
Yeah. I remember that he said that he had a cheap car cover and that to never buy a cheap car cover for that reason. Oof. Yeah, he really got fucked up. I know Tommy's got it though. What are we gonna do with the boxes?
We're gonna drop him off to Gas here.
Okay.
He placed a huge order.
I totally forgot to tell you. Gas, a business supporting business, people. Gas is supporting us tremendously by buying a lot of Puku Pals. Yeah, there's more. There's more. Yep, there they are. Time to unload. Cut to the finished product, Ivan. Boom! Boom! And just like that, we're done. Oh! That was David.
That was dope.
Yeah.
Are we driving back there? You wanna drive back there? What just happened?
I need to drink more milk or something. My fucking bone. What the fuck?
Do we need to add a power liftgate up?
No, we don't. I just like literally held it the worst way possible. Ah,
You wanna
fuck.
walk over there or do you wanna drive over there?
The Gas to the shop?
Yeah.
Let's just walk, right?
Let's walk.
How are you, brother?
What's up, man?
Good to see you. Where's Tommy hiding?
You know, I saw him with Avi. That was,
Your mind blown?
yeah.
Where's your mind?
He was walking around. I was like, I know this guy from somewhere.
Where, you don't know where they are? They're just walking around. They're probably at the shop.
Yeah, he
No.
was standing right outside the
Okay,
shop. Really.
we're gonna go to the shop. Thank you, brother. Today's gonna be interesting. All in's gonna be really, really interesting. Ooh. I don't think you've realized that all these doors are closed, Farghini. No one's gonna open the door off and knock. Oh, Hey, hey, hey.
I think I just did that.
No, you did not do that.
I swear I think I just did that with that button.
No, you did not do that. Oh! No. We're knocking on the door like no one's gonna fucking answer.
I knew it.
Avi! This is the weirdest thing ever. It's like two of my worlds colliding, brother. I see what you're doing driving this thing, dude. It is the funniest thing to see him driving this.
Booster chair.
Oh!
I'm still driving better than you though.
All right, I'm just gonna go to. Thank you very much, everyone. Take it easy. This is fucking crazy.
Yeah, this is a nice setup. See, this is the same thing you're talking about.
I was gonna say that's kind of what I'm gonna need, right? This type of
The actuator, but you save the bed, so you're not taking up any of your bed.
Correcto. Oof. I mean, so you're gonna paint your you're thinking about painting your NSX?
We're leaving it.
Are you gonna do it?
Oh, we missed the
Hey, I'm sorry that I missed that.
They're legit. I love it. It took me a while to find somebody I could trust.
Yeah.
And after seeing their job, I go to a lot of places and they BS you, I can do this, do this. They tell you straight up front, this is what you should do. Anything that leaves out of here, our name is on it. So it has to be 100%.
Yeah.
You know what? From what I've seen in their booths and their guys, they don't even go that far.
I trusted them with my Carrera GT, so
Yeah, he
I
wants to
think,
buy- we got-
I've seen what they've done.
Yeah.
What did you drive here?
the truck, the F-150, the blue one. No, mine.
Hey, I'm not putting miles on mine.
That cheap ass motherfucker.
Trying to get Avi to do this to the NSX.
What are you trying to get him to do?
How nice that is. It would be awesome.
Avi, that would be.
You'd be ready for an African safari.
You would have a 1 out of 1 in the world. In an African safari. Get the fuck out.
If I get an M3 for you, I'll do the same.
We're gonna ride in this one.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, no.
The keys.
Yeah. We know how to bribe the right person here at Galpin now.
I love the fact that they haven't tried to repaint or just kept it how it was.
Oh yeah.
This is beautiful. Look at that. It's history.
Avi's home.
I'm gonna sleep here.
No, we already. I already said. I already called dibs on that one. I'm sorry, Avi.
Look at that. Yeah. Did you see that?
That's Liberace.
Liberace?
Yeah.
This is Liberace's car?
Yeah.
They allowed him to drive this on the freeway?
I guess back in the day it was easy.
Recaro seats.
God, this is sick.
Liberace knew was. I don't know why Liberace knew what's up. He's so funny.
Avi, Ivan,
I love him. Yeah, I see him.
I follow him on Instagram. I watch all his videos.
He's killing it. He's killing it. Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
And by the way, Avi, salesman of the month for January, hopefully February, and he's on his way to England.
Oh
Yes,
yeah, when are you
Saturday.
leaving?
Saturday, I'm going to England.
I'm going with Ivan.
Wait, what? Anyone at Goodyear, we would love to ride in a.
Nope.
Yes.
Hey, Tommy, this guy will throw up the whole time.
I forgot. You can just puke out the window though.
Yeah. Look at that is the hangar. Wow, what a giant waste of money.
I know it's like a ripped condo.
It does look like a red Honda.
So Andre's the owner of this place?
Yes.
Okay.
So the car's here.
Well, I haven't said anything. I believe I told you guys, but we came here to see Andy's Defender. So we're gonna look at it, make sure everything's kosher for Andy, and Tommy's gonna make sure that all of the stuff that he needs to work on, he can do.
Yeah.
Right? That's why we're here.
Yep.
And also, what the fuck? The light bar above and this one, this is the baddest H1 I've ever seen in my life. And do you really need all that metal there? No. But I also, at the same time, I want. Where's Andy's?
Let's go.
Holy. I feel like you need more Hummers.
You can never have enough Hummers.
I can never have enough Hummers. Let me tell you that, kids. Hey, they got Raptors and shit too. Ooh, oh, what? That is a cocaine H1. Whoa. No, get your hands out. You can't put your hands inside of things.
That's what that is. I want to do that.
This is the funnest one. The problem is you don't know what you're doing.
I do. Let me see.
What if there was boobs on the other side? How amazing would that be?
You still wouldn't know what you're doing.
So you guys, you absolutely focus on trucks, on these Hummers, big trucks. What? I'm sorry. What
we
is the
strip
business?
them all down, all the Hummers, and we customize them exterior, interior, everything. Diamond
Wow.
stitching. We make the insides all brand new.
Ooh,
That's
my
a big one.
God. How much are these, for example? I'm sorry, I have no price gauge on these
This is
H1s.
185.
185?
185.
It does look like a 185 car. I mean, at least. Holy shit.
This is the Alpha. This is the 06. Last year they were made. They only made 22 or 23 in this color.
Wow.
I mean, it seems like memories, no?
Yeah, Ron running away from the.
Running away from these. I remember running away from these as a child.
Now they're hot again. Everyone wants a truck now.
This is one that we're going to completely strip down, and it's going to be all brand new paint, new interior, new wheels, LEDs, everything.
Wow.
This is a Defender 90 and 97. This is one will make it just all original again.
Uh-huh.
This one will make just badass.
Okay.
So people that buy this, they want it all original, all stock.
Yeah, those are more your collector guys. These are the, I don't give a shit. I just
The
want
guy that
the,
wants to piss off his neighbor.
Yep.
His neighbor's not going to have one of these.
that kind of people.
Here's the magical Defender right back here.
Ooh. Here it is. No, I'm just.
This is not.
Hey, by the way, this is a Ranger. This is the Raptor Ranger. Holy shit. Oh, Jesus.
I've never seen stuff in the back in the corner hidden away.
Yeah.
What is
So what is this? What's the difference between this one, for example, and this one?
So just like with the Hummers, you have a civilian Hummer, and you have the military ones. You actually ran away from the military ones, not the civilian
That's
ones.
right.
Okay.
That's right.
So these are the military ones. This is the civilian version of the Defender.
Civilian.
This is the military ones. So this is a 1987. It's a 110. So what you're used to seeing is the four-door 110. You know, the white one. They
Yeah.
made like 300 of them in 93. Those are the ones that were allowed here. But the older ones with the laws, the 25-year import laws, you can bring them in.
Got it.
So we got this one in here under that, and this is a great truck with good bones just to make it badass.
Jesus, this is crazy. I've never seen a Defender like this one. Can I see the interior?
Have a look.
Wow.
So this is all bare bones. The military ones, you know, you have no door panels. It's all bare bones.
And then there's two seats back there.
This is where you need to hide everything.
Good.
Hey,
Good.
Hold on.
Nice.
We're gonna have to edit that out of the video.
Alejandro, let me see if you can fit in here. Can you see?
No, for a second I actually thought I could. For a second there I thought I could. Tommy, what's the plan with this?
He wants to restore it, so I'm just trying to. It actually looks pretty clean. The bulkhead looks like it's not rusted. Typically, these rust. You probably know. Like the bulkhead's right here, rust. The engine is notoriously known for being underpowered. It's usually a 2.5 liter diesel. They made like 68 horsepower.
What?
We're just gonna take a look at it and hopefully get it back up and kind of resto modify.
Would you change the engine?
I would. We'd probably throw in like a E-rod.
So that's up to Andy.
Sure, yeah. It's up to him. Whatever he likes.
Change the engine.
Bigger, V8.
Bigger and better. Yeah, put a V8.
Just so you know, Andy's doing all this so he sees you and I in a bathing suit. Oh, no, sorry, not a bathing suit, wetsuit, so that I can then look like a seal in the water and a shark can kill
So
me.
you're gonna put him in a banana hammock?
Hey, I want nothing to do with that.
I'm not watching that.
I don't want anything to do with that.
What's going on? How are you?
Tommy's looking at your car, Andy, and got some feedback, my brother. How are you?
Hey, Andy, do you want to be on camera or not?
Whatever makes you happy.
Okay.
I just gotta get it done. I gotta get my good side.
Tommy, go ahead.
Looks really clean from what I can see. There's very little rust from what I'm seeing, but I'm gonna crawl under it real quick, take a look at it. But it's beautiful.
Awesome. It's a nice donor, right?
Very nice donor.
No, it was handpicked off the internet.
Nice.
So, while these guys get that set up, let me just say, it's really important every single time you find a car, whenever you want to buy something, and you're not there personally to look at it, just send someone that you trust, that is capable, and that knows exactly what they're talking about, so that you don't get played. These guys here obviously have a great operation, but either way, it's good that Tommy knows his shit. I really want to see Farshad in that wetsuit looking like a seal. This right here is a Ranger, so it's like the small truck that Ford makes, and it's been a little bit of controversy here because they're making a Raptor of the new Ranger, and everyone's in love with it, even though it's got a 4-cylinder engine, so Farghini's gonna be getting it. But this, you see how small it is compared to a Raptor? This is the perfect way to get into a pickup truck for the first time. If you don't have a big driveway or anything, these are gonna be hot. The plan is for the Raptor Ranger to come later into the United States, but nothing is 100% for sure. But if they are, Jesus. How's that, Tommy? Do you think Andy will be happy with it?
It's actually, I'm very surprised. It's very clean.
The man right here, he takes care of every single one of these fucking trucks more than anyone I've ever seen.
Obviously he has a great facility. It's beautiful here, but
Yeah.
he bought a good car too.
So,
Great bones.
nice,
Great bones. It's gonna be an awesome build. Wait to
nice.
see it.
Great bones, Hummers, all right.
Bones. It's a wrap.
So So that's what's gonna write "I love you" to someone. But I feel like it's just like a telegram would be way easier, or a text message.
Yeah, and I gotta tell you, I don't think he got the best pilot.
Boom! Just like that, we're back at gas. I'm just gonna say quick goodbye to Tommy, who was kind enough to come with us. Tommy, you got everything you needed for Andy?
Yep.
You're the fucking man, dude. So, all in, I want to say today was a successful day. Looks like Andy's gonna move forward with that truck. They're gonna send it here to Galpin. If everything goes well, don't hold me to that. It's obviously Andy's final choice, but everything went great. The truck looked amazing. And right now I'm gonna head home with Farghini. But before that, let me tell you, I just had a great meeting with someone from the channel, and it was actually really funny because, you know, we're negotiating. I'm trying to work with the guy, and I'm trying to figure out how to build this business relationship with him. He watches the channel, he listens to the podcast. He was throwing some stuff at me, negotiating with what I taught him. And it was a weird experience, but it was fucking awesome seeing someone use what we talk about all the time. So, my dude, and you know who you are, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Hopefully these will work out, and if not, always remember, no hard feelings. Business is business, baby. If we can make it work, great, and if not, it is what it is. Next time, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that, and you should always treat it like this. Business is just business. Don't make it personal, and always be sure that you're fine with losing whenever you're in it. Because if you do, you're gonna learn so much more than if you were mad. If you were mad, you're gonna get blinded. So just know that. Anyways, Farghini's here, so I'm gonna go. All right, Farghini, we're gonna close the vlog. Do you have a really funny line to close it on? Great. So, because last Valentine's I was a terrible husband to my wife. This is I'm sorry.
Well, the marriage goes on for another year. I can't believe we just did this. I cannot believe we just did this.
I just put him on the floor. What do we do?
Give them to her now.
Happy pre-Valentine's. The thing is, it broke.
What?
It broke at the bottom just now. It was a disaster to bring it all the way here. I don't know what to do or where to put it. This is so heavy.
Just put it on the counter.
It can't stand up. The base is broke.
Good job, though.
Happy Valentine's.